In this video, I'll be taking you through how to swap crypto or MetaMask. This is my MetaMask wallet. The first thing to do before you can swap is to ensure that you have enough funds in your wallet. You can see this is my Celo crypto. I only have this amount under Celo network. So the first thing before you can swap is to decide on the network you are going to use and the crypto. Because the network you use will determine the gas fee that you pay for swapping. Your objective is to target network with low fee. For you to switch to different network under MetaMask, you come to this place. You can see this is where you select network. If you scroll down, you see different network: Celo network, BNB chain network, Avalanche, Arbitrum, Polygon, and you can add any other network using this add network. For the purpose of this video, I will be using BNB chain network. I will click BNB. You can see this is my BNB chain network under MetaMask. I have other tokens on the network, and I currently have over $11 on the native token of Binance network. You need to fund the native token of the network you decide to use because of the gas fee. So for you to swap, you need to add the token and crypto you want to swap to, and you can add the token by coming down. This is where you import the token. I did a video you can watch how to add and import token on MetaMask. Watch this video, it's going to help you. So that's how you add different cryptos. Always ensure you use the correct contract address for those cryptos to ensure you are adding legitimate cryptos on MetaMask. So to swap, I'm going to use BNB and swap out of these funds. I want to swap to this crypto. This is eCash. I want to buy this eCash for keep. I'll be swapping to this, and to do that, you come to your MetaMask. Don't forget, we're under MetaMask, under BNB chain network. To swap on MetaMask, you click the crypto where the fund is, or you click swap. You can click swap. Clicking swap, you'll be able to select the crypto where there is money. In this case, money is here, so you have funds here. Then you select the token that you are swapping to. You click, I'm swapping to SEC, this token. You select. You can also verify this token if you are not sure. All you need to do to verify this token, to be sure that this token is legitimate, is to come to your Binance chain network platform. If you click it, this is Binance chain network platform. This is the contract address for this token that I'm using. To be sure, all you need to do is to paste it here. Look at it, to import it. I already have the token. So when you are sure, you are going to select the amount of token you are swapping to this eCash. I will select 0. You can see the gas fee is 0.69. The maximum fee that may be charged is 83. So this is what you get in eCash. That is over 85,000 eCash token for this amount. You can also increase it by putting one here, calculating. So for this amount, $6.45. This is what you get for eCash. This is the charges. If you are okay with this gas fee, all you just need to do is to come here. You click swap. So you click swap. It's processing. Look at it. Transaction complete. Your SEC has been added to your account, and you can close. You see, I now have over $4 on my BNB crypto. The amount has been deducted, and the balance is now $4 plus. If you scroll down to see the amount, this is the eCash token I swapped to. You can see the token here in my MetaMask wallet. So this is how to use swap or MetaMask. Please do me a big favor. Subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.